Hello everybody in grade 7. Today we will complete the previous section, the nervous system. Please open your book on page 658 and be with me. The central nervous system is connected to the rest of your body by nerves. As we know, nerves are everywhere in your body. So what is a nerve? A nerve is a collection of axons bundled together with blood vessels and connective tissue. Most nerves have axons of both sensory neurons and motor neurons. Here, the axon in these nerves transmit information from the spinal cord to the muscle fibers. The sensory nerves collect the information from your senses and send that information to CNS or central nervous system. Please remember, central nervous system contains your brain and your spinal cord. Then the motor nerves carry out the CNS's response to the sensory information. The motor part of PNS or peripheral nervous system has two kinds of nerves, which are somatic nerves and autonomic nerves. In somatic nervous system, most of neurons that are parts of the somatic nervous system are under your conscious control. These are the neurons that stimulate skeletal muscle, control voluntary movement such as writing, talking, smiling, or jumping. Autonomic nerves don't need your conscious control. The autonomic nervous system controls body functions that you don't think about, such as digestion and heart rate. The main job of autonomic nervous system is to keep all body's function in the balance. The autonomic nervous system has two divisions, which are sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. They work together to keep your internal environment stable, which is homeostasis. The central nervous system receives information from the sensory neurons, then it responds by sending a message to the body through motor neurons in the PNS or peripheral nervous system. The brain is the largest organ of the nervous system. The brain is the main control center of the nervous system. It controls both voluntary and involuntary processes. The brain is comprised of cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Again, cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Here, it is a cerebrum. It consists of two hemispheres. Here, the left hemisphere controls activities such as speaking, reading, writing, and solving problems. And the right hemisphere controls activities like thinking, processing music, and emotions. The cerebrum is where you think and where most memories are stored. It controls voluntary movement and the senses. Again, it controls the voluntary movement. The voluntary movements. Okay, then the cerebellum lies beneath the back of the cerebrum. The cerebellum processes sensory information from your body, such as from skeletal muscle and joints. The last part, the medulla. The medulla controls involuntary processes. Again, involuntary processes such as blood pressure, body temperature, heart rate, and involuntary breathing. here regions of the brain. This is a cerebrum. Please remember it controls voluntary movements. And this is cerebellum, and this is medulla, and it is control the involuntary processes such as breathing, heart rate. The spinal cord, it is a route to the brain. The spinal cord is made of neurons and bundles of axons that passes impulses to and from the brain. The spinal cord surrounded by protective bones called vertebrae or backbone. Spinal cord injuries. A spinal cord injury may block all information to and from the brain. Each year, thousands of people are paralyzed by spinal cord injury. Here, this is a spinal cord, and this is a backbone that protects the spinal cord. This is our lesson today. Thank you for your attention. Thank you all.